welcome back. So let's go right ahead and start priming my face, and I'm going in with my NYX Do Me Up primer. This is my first time using this primer, and you guys, it is so good. If you have dry skin, I would recommend this primer, and it's super affordable. Your girl has been like dry skin lately. My skin has been like damn near cracking, and I'd have to say this primer really did me justice. I love it. So now I'm gonna go right ahead and fill in my eyebrows with my NYX eyebrow pencil, and this is an espresso. I have replaced my Anastasia brow wiz with this one, and I'm so glad I did because it's no difference and it gets the job done, and it's super affordable. Why not save your money and, I don't know, get a makeup item that's a lot more cheaper and still does the same thing as a high-end product? Yes, please. I'll choose that over anything, okay? So now I'm going to go right ahead and fill in my eyebrows with this NYX gel in espresso as well. I love doing this. This is literally my eyebrow routine. It just makes my eyebrows look a lot fuller and looks like I have like more hair, because you guys can tell I do have thin eyebrows, and I did get my eyebrows threaded, so that's another reason too. So yeah, it's a good brow product. So now I'm gonna go in with my MILANI 2-in-1 conceal and foundation. You guys, this is my first time trying out this product. So far, I do love it. The full coverage on this foundation, it's insane, and y'all know I love that full coverage glam. I would so recommend this. Now, the shade that I'm in is Chestnut. It's a good foundation, you guys. So nice, and it also feels lightweight. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing too much. Y'all, just look how full coverage that is. That's insane. So now I'm gonna go right ahead and conceal using my LA Pro concealer. You guys know how I love this so much, and I'm in the shade Fawn. I usually conceal under my eyes, my chin, and my forehead, and then that as well. Yeah, y'all know I love Fawn. Y'all know I do. So I had to include Fawn in this drugstore affordable makeup look. Why not? You guys, so now I'm gonna grab my black opal in ebony bronze, and I'm just gonna contour with this foundation stick. You guys, this is my first time trying this product out, and it's pretty freaking good. For it to be affordable, it was so creamy. I loved it. And you guys know that I love the foundation stick for me to contour with. It just makes it easier for me, and for it to be creamy and I don't have to do a lot of blending, that is a plus for me. It's worth it, you guys. So I'm just gonna leave everything down in the description box, so you guys make sure you check that out. And also throughout this video at the end, my camera went dead, so I was not able to show you guys when I pop my lashes on, but I usually don't show you guys anyways, since that's like too hard for me to do on camera. So that's the only thing that you guys missed, honestly. So, and I'm also gonna leave where I got the lashes from. So now I'm gonna set where I highlighted with my SACHA Buttercups. You guys know that this is my holy grail setting powder. I love it so much. I don't think I want to switch it, but Black Radiance just came out with a new setting powder, and it's a banana kind. So I'm gonna get my hands on that so I can test that out, so then I can give my SACHA Buttercups a break for once, okay? Okay guys, so now I'm going to grab my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm just going to go right ahead and set where I contoured with this palette. So I would totally recommend for you guys to set your contour if you're using some type of cream base, whether it's a foundation stick or just a palette that gives you contour shades. Pretty much just set it because it makes it easier for you. If you're not going to set it, just set it with a foundation powder too. As long as you set it so it doesn't move anywhere, that's all that matters. So now I'm going to take that same palette, and I'm just going to use that middle shade to put it all over my eyelid. I wanted this to be a really, to look like a no makeup look, but I know I was wearing a lot of makeup. I still wanted to look effortless and very dewy and you know, natural. So now I'm just gonna go right ahead and highlight, and I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This is my first time using this highlight, and it is good. For it to be under 10 bucks, I would totally recommend it. It's very affordable, so that's a plus. I know these highlighters nowadays are like extremely expensive, so I would totally recommend you guys to get your hands on this highlight. You guys see it for yourself. It's pretty nice and it's pretty subtle, and it doesn't give me that ashy like look. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm just, y'all gonna see where I'm highlighting all the places I always highlight, but I did go a little bit heavy with this highlight. That is my fault, but it's okay. I really was not tripping because, hey, makeup comes off. So, I mean, it didn't look that bad, but I did go a little bit extreme with it, I'm gonna be honest. So now I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild lip pencil. I'm not sure what shade this is in because all the words were pretty gone, but I'm sure this was Wet n Wild. I'm just going to underline my lips and smear that with my hands, and I'm also going to grab my NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss and put that over my lips because y'all know I was literally going simple. So unfortunately, like I told you guys, I did not get the whole clip of my lashes. I have on the Coco lashes in STELLA. Like I said, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box, so you guys make sure you check that out. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, make sure you guys add me on my social media. I'm gonna leave everything right here so then you guys can stay connected with me when I'm not on YouTube. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this fresh, beat, natural, everyday glam. And that is it, you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.